This is Mark from SM Cotech, and welcome to episode 2 of our Linux What to Do First series. In this video, we're going to be talking about UFW. UFW stands for an uncomplicated firewall. And the first thing we're going to do is issue a command to set the defaults to deny any incoming communications to this server. Next step is going to issue the default to allow all outgoing communications from this server. Before I enable the firewall, I want to make sure that I'm not going to lose my connection to my SSH, and I'm going to make sure that SSH is allowed on the firewall. I'm also going to put the SSH port in as well to allow. Once we have the rules put in that we want to set up for this, we're going to now enable the UFW firewall. Say yes to the disrupting, because it's not going to, because we've put in the right rules. And now we're going to take a look at the status, and we can see the status that's there for the ports that we specified to allow. And it's both IPv4 and v6. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.